It's your boy Weebrewinning, dog. I'm sorry I've been away for a long time, bro. But listen, I'm finna go on my first date, bro. My fucking first date in years, my niggas. So I'm like, I need to know what a restaurant to go to. If y'all know restaurants, good restaurants to go on the first date, y'all comment below or hit the thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Because your boy Weebrewinning, we winning out here. So that's what's going on. I might keep y'all posted, updated, but I don't know yet. But one thing I do know, it's my first date in years, nigga, and we gonna get this. Nah, I'm saying, yeah, yeah. But more videos gonna be coming soon. Listen, my phone at screen had broke, man, and I couldn't vlog, and I lost all my old videos. But you know what I'm saying? We gonna get that shit right. But hey, I appreciate everybody who subscribed to the channel so far, and everybody who is telling and sharing the videos. Man, y'all salute y'all. Y'all the true Weebrewinning squad. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Weebrewinning, and I'll see y'all in a bit. So what's popping, everybody in the winning squad? Look, we just arrived, and this is the location. Somewhere is up over here, and I'm about to just go up to the store right over here. Walk to the store real quick from this location to that location, and walk in the store real quick. Give me a little something to ease my mind, because I'm kind of nervous. And yeah, it's my first day, and it's about to be lit on gang. So it's finna get lit, dog. Listen, bruh, I'm at the Cajun tables, man, trying to take me a nice sweet thing to the table, you dig, and make some shit pop. But listen here, bruh, look. Listen here, brother, you know what I'm saying? This is the location. I ain't used to vlog in like, what you call it, open spaces, because people get to looking like I'm famous or something, because I am dressed too nice. To drip down, the only thing I'm missing is the roll it check. Roll it check 1 2. Check 1 2, roll it, baby. That nigga out there, that nigga fly. Ooh, watch out, man. I ain't even got a first cut, but I'm still nice, like, yeah. But listen, we finna go in here and eat, you know what I'm saying? This is our first time ever being together, besides the time that I got her number and met her. And I'm thinking this shit gonna be lit, you know what I'm saying? But what y'all think I should get on the menu, man? Comment below, man. Oh, never mind, don't comment below. Just comment below after you watch this video, because if you comment below now, then you're just completely stupid. Because I'm gonna edit this video the next day and post it up the next day. And then after that, then you can comment. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think I should get? What y'all think I should get next time I come? Let's see. Until then, y'all, we're about to go in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all know whenever she arrives, because I got to put my nervousness somewhere. I can't put my nervousness just in the atmosphere. I gotta put it in here. So you know what I'm saying? I'm really living this. I'm kind of nervous because this is the one I really want to make work. This is the one I really want to make pop. This is the one else. Man, look here, man. Look at the drip, man. You know what I'm saying? When it comes down to a nigga like me, yeah. But this is not what I'm eating. You know what I'm saying? I give y'all the place when I'm leaving. Yeah. Because I can't have niggas running up on me. You know what I'm saying? Big wallet fat. Let's get it, let's go. Tell you what, look, what I'm gonna do is, while I'm waiting on her still, I'm gonna give y'all a shot of the place that we're gonna eat. It's called the Cajun Table. And it seems lit. It seems like they got good food. They got heaters outside and all kind of stuff. Not just any type of heater, like the ones that you find in project apartments with the little plug in and turn the knob and the little red lines come on that motherfucker. I'm talking about some motherfucking propane gas heaters outside. Where you can eat outside, you can eat inside. Whatever one you prefer. But listen here. Ooh, pretty ass moon hiding up there. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Bye. But yeah, this is the place. Boom. Get y'all to zoom in on that. The focus. The Cajun Table. Then they got the Hawaiian grill. Then they got the CC's Beyond Pizza. Blah blah blah. More stores and more stores. But back to this. Look at the propane fires. Look at the propane fires. Yeah. You can stay warm out here. That's what we headed at. Alright. Walking through the flea market, man, and just ran across this cool ass guy, man. Bunch of merch shit. Look, bro, this is one of my favorite ones. Energy. Like, this is one of the virus ones that I found so far. Like, but he got a bunch of stuff. I think y'all should check it out. Like, some real high, good energy stuff. nice brand to be repping. You know what I'm saying? This is business right here. You know what I'm saying? The Peter Nappy Collection. And this is Peter right here, man. Just holler at it, bro.
Good. Peace and out straight to the people. Peter Nappy Collection, more so geared toward African and Kemetic history. I'm guided by the ancestors. I somewhat found my purpose in what I do with the clothing. It's just not another t-shirt design. It's actually culture, black culture, melanated culture, whatever you subscribe to. But it's all about bringing that African and Kemetic culture right here to Southwest Louisiana. The Peter Nappy Collection on Instagram. Just go ahead and underscore between each, the underscore, Peter, so on and so forth. You know what I mean? Appreciate you, my brother. Love
Not
what
a
you're
problem,
doing, man.
It's all good, man.
Yeah.
His description is gonna be down in the descriptions below, and you can follow him at the Peter Nappy Show collection, and it's gonna be it's all gonna be in the screen, so you can just type it, click it, boom, get at it. Good merch, man. Good dude.